In this video, you'll learn how to delete a class in Webflow. This process will help you manage your design elements more effectively by removing unnecessary classes from your project. To begin, navigate to the Webflow website, open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Sites option in the main navigation menu. This action will take you to a dashboard displaying all your projects. Next, identify the specific site from which you want to delete a class. Browse through the list of your sites and click on the name of the relevant project. This will direct you to the project's details page. After that, look for the Open in Webflow button. This button is typically located in the top right corner of the project details page. Click on it to launch the Webflow Designer interface where you will perform the class deletion. Once the Webflow Designer is open, focus on the right side of the screen where the Style panel is situated. Locate the Style selector, which is represented by a label that shows the currently selected class. Click on this label to reveal a drop-down menu of all classes applied to the selected element. Next, click on the drop-down menu to view all the classes associated with the current element. Scroll through the list to find the class you wish to delete. Once identified, hover over the specific class name and you will see an option to remove it. Click on Remove Class to delete it from the element. After you click Remove Class, a confirmation message may appear indicating that the class has been successfully deleted. Ensure that you see this confirmation before moving on, as this indicates that the class is no longer associated with the selected element. It is important to verify that the class removal aligns with your design intentions. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.